Let me show you how you can copy my $2,500 a week business model even if you are broke, you have no technical skill and no marketing experience. First, go to myboomingagency.com to get the free tutorials. Now look, here is a typical website for a dentist. This website is not optimized to convert visitors into leads. So all we are going to do is to use the simple software that we use to create the website. Go to settings and then add the chat widget like this and click save. So now when you go back to the website, we see a chat widget down here on the right. People can ask questions. We can set up auto replies. For this, we come back to the same software, click on automation and just select one of the pre-built automation, or even let AI follow up the leads to convert them into new clients. So head on over to myboomingagency.com and get your free access to the platform to grab the free tutorial and start making money from work done by AI.